Right, I'm going to show you how to run a Go web application on Amazon's Elastic Beanstalk. So head on over to my GitHub repo, look for the EBS Docker hello repo, clone it, and look through the README file to get yourself started there. So head over to the AWS Elastic Beanstalk console and don't click on this drop down here. Go to Create New Application up on top. Then enter any application name, it doesn't matter. And then you're going to select the web server environment, and from your platform, for the drop down, select Docker. And we get automatically at load balancing and auto scaling, so that means a bunch of EC2s will run. So you can start your sample application, or you could upload it, or you could get it from an S3 bucket. But for this example, we're going to get it from a file, but I have the same project on an S3 bucket, and you'll see the link. So click on upload, choose your file, and you're going to go to, I'll show you how to create a zip file for the current project. So over in my terminal, I went to my GitHub project, cloned it, and then I zipped everything, but I excluded the package source and the .git stuff. So you can see that it only zips a couple of files. So back at the console, I select that zip file I created, and I click next, and it's going to upload the application. And I name the environment. You can name it anything you want, something that'll remind you of what it's going to be. And then the environment URL is the actual URL that you're going to enter in the browser to go see your app. So here we're going to pick the instance type, and because it's a Go app, it's pretty nice and small, so we can pick a T1 instance. And just click next. We don't need any environment settings. Review your settings, and then click launch. And it's going to take a long time the first time it creates the environment. It has to do a bunch of different things. So it could take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. And you can see stuff that is happening while it's launching your environment. And then once it's done, you'll see a nice check mark and a bunch of other events that tell you that your app is on. So now we want to go see it. And if you look here, that's the URL for the application. So if you click on it, opens up a new tab, and there we go. That's the index page that was served by the Go app. And you can see stuff that happened in the background while I was trying to launch. If you click on logs and then click on request the last 100 lines of the logs, it'll take a little while to generate them. But if you click on that, it actually doesn't download them, but you can see them as a text file on your browser. And there's a bunch of different logs here, but the ones you're interested in are, for example, this access log by Nginx, the reverse proxy. You can see that's the request we just made, or I guess I just made. And then if you scroll down, you can actually see the standard out and error output that the Go application emitted. And if you look at the source, you'll see that it prints out listening at 8080, and whenever a request hits, it puts the IP address in the URL. And right below that, you can see that there's the output of the Docker PS command and the ports that it opened. So that's all pretty cool. So head on over to my repo, check it out, and let me know what you think. Thanks.